Good day, everyone. I am Samuel Nathan Iringan, a fourth-year hospitality management student from Arellano University 1 Sumulong campus. Today, it is my pleasure to present to you my catering business plan entitled Marahuyo Catering Services. The word Marahuyo is a Filipino term that means to enchant or captivate. This perfectly represents our mission to captivate our clients through food that delights, service that inspires, and presentation that celebrates Filipino culture and hospitality. Marahuyo Catering Services will be established as a partnership business, combining the skills, creativity, and financial resources of passionate entrepreneurs. Each partner contributes not only funds, but also dedication, experience, and innovation to ensure the success of the business. We will provide full-service catering and event solutions, including Filipino fusion dishes, buffet setups, event styling, and custom menu planning. Our services cater to weddings, birthdays, corporate functions, and private celebrations. What sets Marahuyo apart is its modern Filipino fusion concept, combining local flavors with contemporary culinary presentations. We take pride in locally sourced ingredients, eco-friendly practices, and personalized client experiences tailored to each theme and budget. Our business location will be in Quezon City, a strategic area in Metro Manila that ensures accessibility to both residential and corporate clients. Our primary target market consists of young professionals and families aged 25 to 45 years old, while our secondary market includes corporate clients and organizations seeking high-quality catering services for formal events. The catering industry in our country, which is the Philippines, is rapidly growing, driven by the increasing demand for intimate celebrations and corporate gatherings. Some key trends influencing our operation include: first, the personalized experiences and thematic events. We also have the health conscious and sustainable menu options. Also, the technology integration such as online bookings and digital payments. We also have eco-friendly practices including biodegradable packaging, and minimal waste. Also, the smaller but quality-focused events that prioritize experience over the size. Marahuyo will align with these trends by being a brand that is innovative, sustainable, and customer-centered. For our marketing plan revolves around the four P's, which is the product, price, place, and promotion. For the product, we offer three main catering packages. We have the classic Filipino elegance package. We also have the premium fusion feast package. And last, the corporate banquet selection. Every package can be customized based on the client's theme and dietary requirements. For our pricing range from 450 pesos to 800 pesos per head, striking a balance between affordability and premium service. We also offer referral discounts and loyalty incentives to retain our customer. For our place, our central kitchen and office will be located in Quezon City. Clients can book through our social media accounts. We also have our official website or in-person consultation. For our promotion, we will build our brands through social media storytelling, professional food photography, collaboration with event planners, and of course, participation in different expos. Our branding will reflect Filipino sophistication, elegant, authentic, and heartfelt. For our operations plan, all food operation will take place in a centralized kitchen, following strict sanitation and safety standards. Our SOP or the standard operating procedures include raw material inspection, proper storage, food safety compliance, and post-event client evaluation. Our organizational structure consists of the following key position. We have the general manager who is the partner or the owner of the said catering services, followed by the head chef and his two assistant cooks. We also have the event coordinator, three service crew members, marketing assistant, and finance and accounting officer. We plan to start with 10 employees, all carefully selected through culinary schools, partnership, and online recruitment. Our menu selection features Filipino fusion dishes. We have in our menu that is the appetizers, including the mini kare-kare bites, adobo flakes crostini, tuna kilawin shots, and spring rolls trio. We also have the soup selection. It is a warm, hearty, and comforting soup perfect for formal gatherings. We have the tinola sa tanglad, creamy corn and crab soup, and the bulalo consomme. For our salad bar, we have the ensaladang marahuyo, tropical chicken salad, and Caesar salad Filipino style. Of course, we have the main course selection. For our main course selection, we have first in meat dishes, we have the lechon belly roll, beef caldereta royale, chicken inasal supreme, and adobo sagata. For our seafood dishes under the main course selection, we have the garlic butter shrimp, the baked bangus fillet, and the seafood kare-kare. While for our vegetable dishes is still under the main course selection, we have the pinakbet Tagalog, laing rolls, and chop suey de marahuyo. We also have the pasta and noodles. We have the adobo pasta, carbonara Filipino style, and pancit canton marahuyo. For our rice choices, we have the garlic rice, java rice, plain jasmine rice, and adlay pila. Of course, the menu will not be complete without its dessert selection. We have the ube makapuno panakora, the mini leche plan cups, bibingka cheesecake, and the halo halo bar. The halo halo bar is a DIY dessert station with crushed ice, milk, and assorted toppings. Of course, for the beverage options, we have the calamansi mint cooler, the house blend iced tea, cucumber lemon water, and the signature coffee and hot tea selection. And with that, we have the special packages. First, is the classic Filipino packages. Includes one soup, two main dishes, one vegetable, one dessert, rice, and beverage. That costs 450 peso per head. While for the premium fusion package, we have the 650 peso per head. Includes one appetizer, one soup, three main dishes, one dessert, rice, and beverage. For our corporate banquet package, which is the 800 peso per head, it includes two appetizers, one soup, three main dishes, one pasta, two desserts, and the beverage station. It is a competitive advantage through the menu designing as we uses local and sustainable ingredients supporting Filipino farmers. It also allows menu customization based on client's preference or theme. We also offers a health conscious and vegetarian option for inclusivity. And of course, we combine Filipino tradition with modern plating, perfect for social media marketing. For our management plan, the Marahuyo Catering Services will adopt a functional organizational structure where each department, the kitchen, the operation, the marketing, and the finance, is led by a department head. The decision making will be collaborative, ensuring that open communication will follow accordingly and so that we could have an accountability for each. Continuous employee training, customer feedback evaluation, and quality monitoring will guarantee the consistent service excellence. This approach ensures that every client feels valued and every event is flawlessly executed. For our financial plan, to start the operation, the Marahuyo catering service will require an initial investment of 500,000 or a half million allocated for equipment, ingredients, marketing, permits, and staff training. The funding will come from a partner contribution and a microfinance business loan, with partners providing 60% and the remaining 40% from the financial institution. With its strong marketing and consistent bookings, we project a return on our investment within 18 months, generating with an estimate 120,000 to 150,000 in monthly revenue and a profit margin of 25 to 30%. For our conclusion, the Marahuyo Catering Services is not just a business. It is a celebration of Filipino artistry, hospitality, and innovation. We aim to enchant every client with food that tells a story, service that feels personal, and experiences that leave a lasting impression. With a clear vision, strategic marketing, and a passion for excellence, Marahuyo is poised to become a leading name in the Philippine catering industry. Thank you so much, and may you all be a Marahuyo, truly captivated by the vision of the Marahuyo Catering Services.